Guys, what's up? Myself Pratikla. In iOS development, there are different debugger techniques are available. So today I have discussed about one of them, LLDB debugger. Now this is sample code. When click on this product, then detailed description are available for it. Now when you click on this product, at that time this product name are display. So I need to change those product name at runtime. So I have put in debugger here. So when you click on this, at that time you can see the product name using this is our LLDB area. Now there are different commands are available for LLDB. For example, you can see using help command. These are our commands are available. Now I need to check those detailed description about, for example, here PO. So you can just simply help PO to detail description about PO. So let's see. PO command is print the object value. For example, I have print this object value. So PO. So you can see the Grand Galaxy Grand Prime. So it will be set here. Now I need to change to my name. So here expression command use. For example, equal to my name 30 and then set those title. Title equal to so you can see the result here. Now there are alternative way to change those. Here you can double click on this debugger command. Here you can set debugger command, so you can execute any condition, anything over here. So I need also change from here. For example, expression title equal to change from debugger. Now I will automatically evaluate this breakpoint. So when you click at that time it will automatically evaluate. So let's using debugger command we will evaluate our sample code. For example, here expression. Now I need to create some one simple method. For function test print hello friends. Now you can run test, so you can see the result here. Another example is function sum a integer b integer print a plus b c. Now call this sum method, like a equal to 5 and b equal to 3. So you can see the result here. So you can, like this you can check those alternative command and all these things. So thank you for watching my video, and if you like my video, then please like and share to others. Thank you.